Hi there, my dear students. After you have been through with the materials, reading them, studying them, and understanding them as posted on Canvas, I'll now present to you the key takeaways in Chapter 1, which is all about the nature of strategic management. So there are several key takeaways in chapter 1. The first one is the stages or are the stages of strategic management, which involve formulation stage, implementation stage, and evaluation stage. In the ebook, strategic management is sometimes used or is interchangeably used with strategic plan, which according to the author, strategic management or strategic plan is the company's game plan. So there are key strategic terms in chapter 1, which I would like to uh, share to you some of those, and which I hope you've been uh, reading those and have understood those when you have browsed and look at the materials as I told you a while ago posted on Canvas. And what are these some of the key strategic terms? So the first one is competitive advantage. When we speak of competitive advantage, this is any activity or resource a firm possesses that a rival firms desire. Next, key strategic terms are the vision and the mission. When we speak of vision, this means what do we want to become? And as regard mission, it means what is our business? So in strategic management, we are going to use, we're going to understand the SWOT analysis or the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. These are the external and the internal factors in the organization. Then the next one, long-term objectives. When we speak of long-term objectives, these objectives are more than 1 year. If it is less than, automatically it means short-term objectives. In strategic management, there are financial and non-financial benefits. When we speak of financial benefit, that means that the return on investment is taken into consideration in performing strategic management. When it comes to the non-financial benefit, the company is uh, making a move towards competitive advantage. So in strategic management, some firms do not do strategic planning. One reason is the fear of the unknown, probably because most of them don't have any background in strategic planning. There are also pitfalls in strategic planning, especially if the company, okay, the employees don't have any idea of what is strategic planning. So the organization is having problem or trouble in preparing for their strategic plan, which is the company's game plan. And that's all for the key takeaways in chapter 1, which deals with the nature of strategic management. Thank you for watching this video.